Okay, I have a fun effect to share with you today. As you can see, I have all of the hearts on the table, and I've tried to randomly spread them out. Now we'll go ahead and gather them. Now, since we both saw the cards, we probably should scramble them so that no one knows where anything is. Okay? Now, for this effect, you can have one or more spectators. I'll assume I have a spectator A and a spectator B here. Okay? So for spectator A, I'll go ahead and give it a Charlie shuffle just to mix it further here. I can add a link in the description below. This is a great way to scramble cards. But I need spectator A over here to randomly cut the cards wherever they would like and complete the cut. Okay? So whatever card you brought to the top, we're going to move that many cards to the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're free to have you discard 1, 2, or 3 of these cards. It's a free choice. How many cards would you like me to discard to the table? 3 of them? Okay, so I'll put them down here maybe. 1, 2, 3. So you wanted 3 discarded. Okay, very good. See, spectator B, I'll do the same sort of thing. Charlie A shuffle. Can I have you randomly cut the packet? Wherever you would like, complete the cut. Okay, so where is it that you cut? Oh, a 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. How many cards would you like to discard? 1, 2, or 3? It's a free choice. 2. 1, 2. Okay, very good. Okay, spectator A, I need you to freely cut the cards yet again. Okay, so they come in here and cut it. Complete the cut. Very good. What card did you bring to the top? Oh, an 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many cards would you like to discard? 1, 2, or 3? It's a free choice. 2. 1, 2. Okay, very good. Okay, spectator B, can we have you come in here and randomly cut the packet again? And complete the cut. Okay, what card have you cut to the top? A 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cards would you like to discard? 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, and then spectator A, can I have you cut the cards wherever you would like? Maybe you cut it right there, complete the cut. Okay, what card have you brought to the top? 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, how many cards would you like to discard? 1, 2, or 3? And I guess I should also point out, we're going to leave a single card as the lone survivor. Okay, so we'll discard all of them but 1. Okay, so you can discard 1, 2, or 3. What would you like to do here? You like to discard 3? Okay, that's fine. That will leave us with 1. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. That leaves us with a final card. Now, off to the right, I actually have a written prediction as to what I believe would happen, believe it or not. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so what does the prediction claim here? You'll finish with the Ace of Hearts. Isn't that amazing? Well, maybe. Let's find out if it's true to begin with. Okay, so the claim is this card right here is the Ace of Hearts. Now, the chance of that happening is 1 out of 13. So, not very likely, but it could. So, let's just take a look. Oh, you did it. You did it. You indeed finished with the Ace of Hearts. Well, for some reason, that's a question here. Isn't that amazing? I think it's not amazing. No? Okay. You don't think it's amazing? Well, let's just take a look at the rest of the prediction. I agree. Okay. 1 out of 13. I think it's fairly amazing, but some may not. Down here. Look at the discard pile. Okay. Well, what's special about the discard pile? Okay, so let's just take a look at that. Take a look at the discard pile. Okay. So we have the ace, of course, and then we... Oh, boy, think about... This is better than a 1 out of 13 chance, guys. Oh, this is beyond belief. Do you know what the chances of this happening by chance alone? It's not 1 out of 13. It's 1 out of 13 factorial. And 13 factorial is more than 6.2 billion. So there's less than a 1 out of a 6.2 billion chance that this would happen by chance alone. That is amazing. The two of you working together could pull off something so extremely unlikely. Okay, well, how do you do this? Well, I have a previous video where I use the same principle, so I will link it in the description below if you want to understand the driving kind of mathematics of this. But I'll go ahead and just show you how to perform it so that you can perform it right away. But if you want to understand it more deeply, take a look at that video link below. Okay, so this is the setup. So first, you just set up the cards in opposite order, king to ace, and then you just have one step. And so it's a Klondike shuffle. This is where you take the top and bottom cards off as one. Okay, so this is the packet ordering that I showed you at the very beginning. Okay. And it's going to, if you show this fairly quickly, it's going to look pretty random to most people. If you study it really closely, you'll see some interesting features. But it is true that the cards are spread out among themselves pretty randomly here. So you close that up. And then what I did was I performed a mange over, under, over, under, over, under. That undoes the Klondike. So what it does is it brings it back in this order, which is the order we needed in for this whole elimination process to work out the way that it did. Okay, so if you want to understand the mathematics behind that, take a look at the video link below, but maybe we'll just do one little round. So what I did from there is I did a Charlier shuffle. This is a great way to mix. I can add a link in the description below. It gives the illusion of really mixing the cards. I showed it to spectator A. I said, go ahead and randomly cut the packet wherever you would like. Whatever the top card value is, we'll move 1, 2, 3, that many cards to the bottom. And then I gave you the chance to discard 1 card, 2 cards, or 3 cards. And that is true, okay? But the key is, because of the organization of the cards, this now is guaranteed to be the king. So if they discard just 1 card, there it is. The king's going to be on the bottom. If they discard 2 cards, there's the queen. Okay, normally they would be face down, right? I'm just showing you the cards. And even if they discard 3, there's the jack, okay? And so normally it would be like this as far as the ordering, right? And then you go ahead and Charlier shuffle, give it to spectator B. They randomly cut and do the same thing, okay? So here you'd move the top card to the bottom 10 times, ask them how many cards to discard, 1, 2, or 3, and so forth. And this will work out perfectly. You will precisely arrange the cards ace through king when you're done. Okay, wow. You now have the mechanics for doing everything here. And if you want to understand more deeply what's going on, take a look at the description below. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.